GBI cars and a walk around video of our 2017 BMW 218 M Sport. This car comes with a 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the ZF automatic gearbox, producing 148 brake horsepower while still returning up to 64 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 20, and this car comes with good service history and has covered just over 46,000 miles. As you can see, the Alpine White paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, first we'll get the gorgeous suede M Sport seats there, which hold you really well. A few other features worth mentioning: you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio. And this car also has the climate control and automatic headlights and wipers. And as we open the boot, we've got a boot there that goes back nice and deep, and have a bit of extra storage underneath the boot floor as well by the battery. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights. The first owner chose the 18-inch Ferris Grey twin-spoke alloys, and also the lip spoiler for the boot as well, which really sets it apart. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.